Hi everyone, welcome to ICBT Kandy campus. I am Prabhu Prem Kumar, Head of Faculty, IT and Science of ICBT campus. Today, I would like to talk to you about our faculty, the programs we are doing, and what you can do from this point of onwards. I will try to clear as much as possible the doubts you have about this IT programs and about ICBT IT faculty as well. First of all, what is the aim of our faculty? The faculty focuses on producing qualified personnel and professionals who can serve local and international community in various disciplines of information technology. Now, let's talk about the demand for IT. If you talk about the demand for IT, if you take only about the Sri Lankan context, even in Sri Lankan context, it is estimated that there will be about 200,000 job opportunities for IT professionals in next 2 years. And also, you must be aware that Sri Lanka is ranked 11th worldwide for IT startups. So there's a huge opportunities for IT professionals in Sri Lanka. About the international scenario, in next 3 years, there will be 62 million jobs in IT sector only. So you can look at the demand. So the supply is very low. So there's a huge opportunity for IT guys, right? So that's what I am okay. If you wanted to be IT professionals, okay, this is the career for you. Now, let's talk about ICBT context. Why you have to do IT at ICBT? First of all, the experience we have. So we have a extremely good experience in providing IT qualification. Our students are working in range of organizations. Now I can give it in point forms. The number one, we are offering international recognized qualifications, especially Cardiff Metropolitan University program. Cardiff Met, it is one of the leading universities in UK and also considered as one of the top 1000 universities in the world. And also the industry partnership. We have a strong link with IT companies in Sri Lanka. And most importantly, the programs we offer, the range of programs. We offer programs from diploma level to master's level. And about the placements and the internship, we promise you that we provide placements and internship to every student who study at ICBT. And one important feature about ICBT Kandy campus, we organize lots of workshops and seminars for free. So if you want to learn something new in IT, what are the latest happening in IT, you don't have to go anywhere. You come to ICBT. We have a range of workshops and seminars. I will explain you that in detail later. And the teaching methodology. We have a blended method of teaching because we have face-to-face classes. At the same time, we offer high quality online teaching as well. So that is very important in this pandemic time because all of our students, we have addition to the face-to-face class, we have online teaching as well. So no students has left out. And another important feature about ICBT Kandy campus is the lecture panel. We have a highly qualified and experienced lecture panel. They have more than 10 years of experience and all of them have master's qualification. About the IT facility, the resources. We have state-of-the-art lab facilities and all the relevant softwares are installed for you all to have a good experience while you are studying at ICBT. And very important thing I have to say here is the personal tutoring. We appoint a personal tutor for every student who join, especially for the higher diploma program or master's program or the degree programs. Because what is personal tutoring is, that particular person work as a mentor for the students. Okay, so if your students have any problems, both academically as well as non-academic issues, they can come and meet this personal tutor and he or she will guide the students. especially give advices and ask them, okay, where they shouldn't go next to get the possible remedy for their problems. And also, I have to mention here, we have excellent support staff. Apart from lecturers, like non-academic staff, like we have a good accounting team, marketing team, library staffs, so very excellent support staff, always there to support the students. And one thing that we are always again, that is the research. So we give a lot of opportunities for the students to do research. We try to get grants. We try to have international research opportunities for the students. I will explain you that in little later as well. Now we'll talk about this, what we call this academic progression. We'll talk about the academic programs first. So as I said earlier, we have programs from diploma level to the master's level. Range of programs we are offering in IT. I try to take some little more time to explain this. Well, first we'll talk about the diploma programs. So we have a very strong diploma in information and communication technology. So if you are if you assume that you don't have any IT background, so you should know, if you want to take IT as a career, if you want to learn the fundamentals of computing, this is the program for you. And also this program is function as a foundation program as well. Say assume that you don't have A levels, you have only O levels, and if you want to do a degree, this program will work as a foundation program for you. Next, the II diploma program, the most popular program in ICBT, Cardiff, and also this is a Cardiff II diploma programs, because this is international recognized. In Sri Lanka, you don't have any other institute provide a II diploma program which is offered by an international international university, especially for IT. So in this IT program, there are two specializations we are having. One is computing and software engineering. So if you want to become a software engineer, that is the program for you. And we have another program that is called network technology and cyber security, another II diploma program that is also offered by Cardiff Met. So if you think that your career is networking, or if you want to become a cyber security professional, do a lot of things in cyber world, that is the program for you. So both programs are highly job oriented. Easily you can get jobs, because these programs are designed not only by academias, it's a combination of academics as well as the industry professionals. These programs are designed with the guidance, with the support, with the advice from the industry. So those who complete these programs, immediately they get a job both locally as well as internationally. The next is the top-up programs. Say once you finish this II diploma program, these II diploma programs are basically 1.5 years to 2 years. If you are doing full time, it is 18 months. If you are doing part time, it is 24 months. So once you finish the II diploma program, easily you can get into job. That's one thing. But if you want to do higher studies, if you want to finish your degree, we have a finally a top-up program. What is top-up program? This is 1.5 years. This II diploma program are equivalent to 2 years of a degree program. That's how it is considered, because then after finishing this, you can do the final year of the Cardiff Met degree program. You have several options. You can do a BSc Honours in software engineering, BSc Honours in information technology, BSc Honours in business information systems, and also recently we have introduced BSc Honours in data science as well. Even if you are doing a network track, we have a BSc networking, that is also we are offering for you. Okay, let's say you finish your BSc program as well. Now what next? If you want to go for a master's program, yes, we have two master's program currently. One is MSc in information technology, and another one we are launching next year, that is MSc in data science. So if you look at these programs, as I said earlier, even after O levels, you can join ICBT and you can finish a master's program in IT in Kandy itself. Right. Now we'll go to the progression path. Actually, the progression path I have explained you earlier as well. As I said earlier, you can join ICBT after A levels or even with O levels also. If you join with us with O levels, then what you can do the foundation program, that is a DICT program, and you can do the Cardiff Met II diploma, and then you can go for the BSc top up and complete your BSc honors, and you can go for the masters if you want. Or else, if you with say A levels, you can directly join the Cardiff Met diploma and so on. And also we have a 3-year BSc program as well. So for that, say assume that if you let's say if you with A levels, directly you can do a BSc 3-year program. So without doing a Cardiff HT, you can do a complete 3-year programs with the of BSc honors program in software engineering, that also available in ICBT Kandy campus. Okay, next the important thing, the faculty. As I told earlier, we have a very strong internal and external faculties. So one of the important thing is we have a very strong internal faculty. There's a 6 full-time lecturers available here. They are here for all 7 days. Most importantly, they are well qualified. All of them have master's qualification. Some of them have double masters also. And when you take about their teaching experience, all of them have more than 10 years of experience, and few of them have 20 years of experience also in IT. Even I have 20 years experience. Okay, and also they have a lot of research experience as well. They have a lot of publications, they have done a lot of research, and they are doing a lot of researches also. Then what is another important thing about something other institutions which they don't have, that is the IT Society. Normally a lot of organizations, a lot of institutions, they have IT societies, but our IT Society is different. They organize a lot of workshops and seminars for the benefit of students. Not only ICBT students, it's open for everyone. So these workshops, these seminars are about a lot of innovative technologies, latest technologies. So if you want to learn about this technology, you have to spend money. You have to go to Colombo. In Colombo, there are a lot of tech meetups and seminars are there, but you don't have to, you have to travel and go there. But those opportunities was not available in Kandy. So this IT Society, give this opportunity to the students who are in Kandy and nearby. So this society, IT Society, organize a range of workshops. Especially if you I can name it few, like ethical hacking, social media marketing, digital entrepreneurship, free and open source software, web application development, IoT, mobile application development. There are many, and there are many more to come, because unfortunately because of this COVID period, we couldn't have few face-to-face seminars, but we are planning to have few more online ones in the near future as well. Next, about the industry placements. As I said earlier, we promise you all to offer industry placement. Even some modules in some sub programs, there's a mandatory placements. We give placements, so while you're studying, you can go to a particular industry or particular company, especially in IT. You can work there, come up with the experience, and you can give a presentation. That kind of opportunities are there. At the same time, we are placing you in good organization, both in Colombo and Kandy. And also all our project modules, because we have IT project modules in various programs. All these project modules are linked with the industry. These modules are designed with industry related case studies. So while you are doing this project, you get a lot of experience and exposure how this industry works, how these industry projects are being done. So once you finish this, you can employ it. And also I should tell you, I have to emphasize that most of the program, as I said earlier, are designed with the support of the industry. So our programs have a lot of practical component, not theory. More practical, 70% is practical oriented. We don't have less exams. Almost all the programs have 90% assignment oriented. So you can get lot of experience, lot of exposure to the industry related case studies, how this industry works. So you can easily get job opportunities after finishing this. I can happily say that all our graduates, BSc graduates, within 3 months they are employed. Even while they are studying their degree, they get employed. And all of our IT staffs, like we have a lot of contacts with the industry. So we have a strong industry relationship. So we can offer them good placements, opportunities in good organization as a placement or as well as internship. Finally, one thing I have to tell that even I explained you that in earlier as well. about this research opportunity at ICBT. ICBT, now currently we are very much focused on research. We have annually we have a research symposium, international research symposium. We call it ARS, Annual International Research Symposium of ICBT. The next symposium is going to take place in February 22. We are planning to have it in December because of this COVID. We have postponed that to 2020. Annually we are doing that, and we are encouraging our students to publish their papers in this research symposium. In this research symposium is attended by various universities. From all our partner universities, their staffs, their lecturers are participating in this. High quality papers are published. So we are encouraging our students to participate and present their papers. Even one of our students last time got the best presentation. He got awards. Likewise, we always, our students, like ICBT students, our projects are really appreciated in this symposium. So we give a lot of opportunities. We are trying to have link with the foreign universities as well. So we can help the students to do collaborative research with foreign university staffs and the students as well. So we always encourage students to think differently and do projects, and also we encourage them to participate in hackathons, seminars, workshops. Sort of things we are happening at ICBT. Especially when it comes to research. So finally, before I winding up, I will tell something. So IT, there's a huge, as I said earlier, there are a lot of opportunities for IT professionals, both internationally as well as locally. So that's you can have a good career in IT. But if you want to succeed in computing, 3 things we have to have in mind. Number one is our passion for computing. You should have a strong passion. That is the most important thing. The second thing is you should have a goal, what you want to be in computing, because there are so many areas are there, specialized area. There can be, you can become a data science professional, you can be a software engineer, network professional, cyber security. Aim a goal, what you want to be. And the third thing is hard work. You have to work very hard. Don't give up. If you start any program, the struggle will be there at initially, but if you can overcome this, you can definitely succeed. Don't give up at any given time. Work hard. That is the only thing you can, the most important thing out of all 3 points I have mentioned. So with this quote, I am going to stop here, and I wish you all the very best, and I hope to see you all. Actually, I am very sad that I couldn't see you face to face because of this pandemic thing, but expecting you all to see in the near future at ICBT campus. So at last, I would like to hand over my presentation to my colleague, Mr. Induranga de Silva. Mr. Induranga de Silva is one of the senior lecturer, and he is the mentor for the IIT Society. With his leadership, they are doing a lot of things, lot of wonderful things, and he will explain that in detail in the next presentation. Over to Induranga. Thank you very much. Good luck to everyone. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhu. I am Induranga de Silva, one of the senior lecturers at Faculty of IT and Sciences at ICBT Kandy campus. I would like to give a particular brief about ICBT Kandy campus IT Society. This is what the largest student body attached to IT and Sciences the department. We have been involving with our work for almost 10 years time, and IT Society is the most oldest society in our whole network, and we have been providing a lot of supports for IT students so far by providing them various opportunities in involving with various projects with industry leading the companies, and at the same time students have been given opportunities to involve with various internship programs, and a lot of exposure has been given for the students to work with national and international bodies in order to involve with various national international competitions, as well as networking opportunities, as well as the guiding for various type of research and development projects. So students are very much fortunate to involve with the IT Society of ICBT Kandy campus, because whatever the support needed while they are involving with the degree programs or as a diploma programs at ICBT Kandy campus, we are always providing the level based support for the students. So while involving with the IT society, students are capable of gaining subject specific lot of knowledge as well as what is available with the industry, what is up to date knowledge in the industry, all are capable of gaining with the support of the IT society. And IT society is not only providing the benefit for IT students, but the people who are very much interested in IT and those who do not have the right accessibility. So the IT society is in a position to provide those information oriented support as well as whatever the organizational the based support by conducting various type of the workshops, seminars as well as CSR projects. As our organization, especially the IT society, is the motto, revolution through innovation. So we always provide a lot of opportunities for our students to come up with innovative ideas and then make them the ideas into a product and then make available for people to access in the world. Therefore, the students are throughout the time period who are available here, they get in the full support of IT society, and the faculty of the IT and sciences also provide full support for the students for their various the projects to be successfully completed. And there are a lot of industry leading professionals available, those who have performed very much well by being in various positions of IT society ICBT Kandy campus. Therefore, you have the added opportunity to deal with the programs what is conducted at ICBT Kandy campus, and IT society is always providing the very much the full support what is needed for you. And I am always like to welcome the students, those who are really interested to follow IT courses here, because we have local and global recognition, because IT society is considered to be the Mozilla USA one of the leading the club. Therefore, we are having at the moment international the partnership with the Mozilla Firefox, and at the same time we are involving with free and open source community Sri Lanka, as well as the leading companies like Dialog Idea Mart, in order to provide whatever the technological based support and the exposure. Therefore, join with us and get this the maximum support for you during 3 years or else the 2 years time period at ICBT Kandy campus. You will definitely get the full exposure of a degree program while involving with the industry. We always expect our students to become very much multi-talented young professionals in the industry who is capable of involving with the agile environment much more better way. And if you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are always available and we are always ready to give you the full support. Thank you all of you.